Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the battery. You can also do it from notifications, it's up to you, but I believe battery is much faster. So just tap on battery, and here let's scroll down to find the option show battery percentage. So obviously in my case it is turned on, however if you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher and now your device will immediately show the percentage inside the battery icon, and this is the only way to show battery percentage on the status bar. So you cannot for example show it next to the battery icon, only inside. And if you wish to turn it off, of course tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.